Hi, I'm Diana Littler. Before the NBK transformation, the bathroom wasn't a bathroom. It was basically a bedroom that we never used, and it was full of soot. And the bathroom was a tiny little space with the walls right up to the ceiling and cupboards above, and it was really dark and pokey. Right from the time we went into the showroom and met Stuart, we were impressed with NBK. They were willing to work with us rather than tell us what we needed to do. They were willing to actually help us create what we wanted. All of the NBK team were very professional and very helpful. When we met Stuart at the beginning, he put us at ease, and he helped us plan the bathroom and think, yes, it was actually possible what we wanted to do, because it was quite a huge transformation, and some of it we were going to do ourselves, but NBK were willing to actually work with that. All the staff were very, very helpful, and the end result is so professional, and we were really, really pleased with it all. Damien the fitter was amazing. He worked so fast, but he was so methodical and professional, and I just don't know how he got the end result that he did, because he wasn't stumped by any of the problems that came up along the way, because there always is, with especially with a bathroom this size, but he came up with a solution every time and worked with us. It was great. And NBK kept us informed about everything. We just found it easy, really. They turned up when they said they were going to turn up. They did everything that they said they were going to do. What can I say? It was just easy. What isn't there to love about our new bathroom? I mean, it looks amazing. It's just lovely to use, and everybody who walks in here just says, wow.